Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9950XX. 23,000 miles on this Equinox. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Iridescent Pearl in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Power Liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily with the pull of a handle. And very clean. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's also Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. All-wheel drive lock, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a spacious glove with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 65% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.